Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. Tonight we're going to talk about a very special topic that's important and can be very helpful to all the keto enthusiasts and dieters, and that is customizing your diet, tailoring the ketogenic diet to your preferences and lifestyle. And yes, keto can be very much particular to your own preferences and needs. One size does not fit all. The ketogenic diet has surged in popularity thanks to its proven effectiveness in weight loss, improved energy levels, and potential benefits for managing certain health conditions. However, one size does not fit all when it comes to dieting, and the ketogenic lifestyle is no exception. Customizing the ketogenic diet to suit your individual preferences and lifestyle is not just beneficial, it's essential to long-term success and sustainability. Here's how you can make your keto diet work for you, ensuring it's enjoyable, sustainable, and perfectly aligned with your personal health goals. Here are 5 concepts to help you with this. Number 1, understanding your macros is really important. The foundation of the ketogenic diet is to get your body into a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. This requires a careful balance of macronutrients, roughly 70% fats, 25% protein, and 5% carbohydrates. However, these ratios can be adjusted based on your individual needs, activity levels, and goals. Use a keto calculator to find your ideal macro ratio, and don't be afraid to adjust as you go along. Now, number 2, the second concept that's very important is to embrace variety. One common misconception about keto is that it's highly restrictive, as I previously mentioned. While it's true that you need to limit certain foods, there's still a vast array of keto-friendly options out there, from different types of meat and seafood to low-carb vegetables and high-fat dairy. The possibilities are endless. Experiment with recipes and ingredients to find meals that you love and enjoy and that fit within your macro goals. This variety will not only keep your diet interesting and also ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Now, the third concept to embrace is to plan ahead for your lifestyle. Your lifestyle plays a significant role in terms of how you approach your keto diet. If you're always on the go, focus on very simple, quick meals and snacks that can prepare you in advance. For those who love cooking, exploring complex keto recipes can be a delightful way to spend your time. In a similar vein, if you're highly active, you may need to adjust your intake of fats and proteins to ensure you're adequately fueled. The key is to make your diet work for you, not against you. Number 4, always listen to your body. Everybody is unique, and how yours responds to the ketogenic diet will be different from someone else's. Pay attention to how you feel and be prepared to adjust your diet accordingly. Some people may find that they need more carbohydrates to function at their best, while others may thrive on a higher fat intake. Listening to your body's signals is crucial for optimizing your health and well-being on keto. And number 5, this tip is very key. Seek support and resources when you need it. Finally, remember that you're not alone on the ketogenic journey. There's a vast community of keto enthusiasts out there full of advice, recipes, and support. Online forums, social media groups, and keto-focused blogs can provide invaluable resources and inspiration. Additionally, consulting with a healthcare professional or a dietitian who understands the ketogenic diet can offer personalized guidance tailored to your needs. And there are many ketogenic lifestyle coaches out there, like myself, that can help you along with your keto journey. Customizing the ketogenic diet and lifestyle to fit your preferences isn't just a way to make the diet more enjoyable. It's a crucial step towards achieving lasting success. Remember, sustainability is key. By understanding your macros, embracing a variety, planning for your lifestyle, listening to your body, and seeking out support, you can tailor the ketogenic diet to suit you perfectly, paving the way for a healthier, happier you. And there you go. And I'd love for all of you that came by this evening to support my YouTube. And underneath here is a little button. It says subscribe. And I would appreciate you subscribing to my channel. That would give me the impetus to continue to provide you value and content in terms of motivating you, inspiring you, and encouraging you on your ketogenic lifestyle and diet. Again, this is Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida, and we'll talk again with you all tomorrow. Take good care. Bye-bye now.